welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this makeup look right here using Gorgeous Cosmetics. If you guys want to know how to get the look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload. Now let's get started with the video. The first item that I'm using from Gorgeous Cosmetics is this palette right here. I'm going to do the eyes first. I already have my eyelid primed. Hopefully this doesn't crease. I did prime it with the P. Louise base and I didn't set it. And now I'm just going to go into this one right here. And then I'm going to use a black eyeshadow as well. And this one you can use for contouring and everything. You can mix it up if you'd like for the face as well. So let's just start off with that shade right there. Let's see how it applies. It's this brown one right here. And I'm just gonna pack it on first. So pack on and then blend. Pack on and blend, pack on and blend. This is how eyeshadows work best, I believe, in my opinion. I'm going to do like a smoky eye look. And then to blend the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Makeup Shack T11. And I'm just going to pick up the lighter shade down here. And just blend out everything. But just make sure not to let it get too high up. I am going to use a clean brush. This is the Sigma E38 just to blend out everything. I'm going to use this crown brush and use the cream shade, this one. I'm going to use that on the eyebrow part of the eye, so up here, and then just bring it down a little bit, bring it down a notch. And I'm just going to add more here. That looks very nice. Very nice. All the eyeshadows are blending out like a dream. Wow, these are so nice. This is my type of brown eyeshadow, you guys know. So I'm gonna go back to that brown one here, the darker one, and just keep adding more until you have the desired pigment on your lid. This is on the crease, but you can even go on the lid if you'd like. Then I'm going to take this Morphe M506 brush, a tiny one, for the black shade here. I am going to just run that along the lash line. Is there a fly in here? I haven't done a smoked out liner in a while. I think in the beginning of my channel, if you go back a very long time. And then once you get to the outer part, you kind of want to pull your eye a little bit, not too hard, and then kind of blend it outwards. And now I'm gonna take this Brow Gal liner right here, and I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit more with that. It's gonna be more defined. I'm just gonna clean up the line here. I haven't done a wing outliner in a while. I always use liquid eyeliner. This one looks soft, and you know, you can wear this during the day. It's really nice. So you can keep packing it on until you get the desired pigment. I like the whole look. It's very natural. This is something that I would wear every day for work. I love it. You could have gone the other route and just do like a smoked out eyeshadow look on the lid, but I just wanted to do something different. I'm just going to do the other side off camera and then apply some lashes. I do have mascara on, but I'm gonna apply some lashes, and then I'll be right back to show you guys their foundation and their concealer. The eyes are done for right now. I'll do the lower lash line a little bit later, but I'm going to move on to the face. And also I did use these lashes from Lily Lashes in the style Dallas. This is the case right here. This is Dallas. These are the ones that are about $15 or $11, I believe. So definitely check them out. I had to cut them because they were a little bit too long. They did send me a foundation and a concealer. So this foundation is called the Base Perfect Liquid Foundation, and I got the shade 7W. Ooh, and that is the color right there. Ooh, I like the color, but let's see how the coverage is. It's a little bit sheer to medium coverage. I will build it up. It smells really, really good. It will probably, you know, go away. Usually when foundations have a fragrance, it doesn't linger around throughout the day. I feel like this foundation is more like a moussey foundation. It's those foundations that sit on top of the skin. It doesn't really blend into the skin, like it doesn't soak in. Because I feel like I've been, you know, blending it and nothing happens. It just like sits on top of your skin. I do have to be blending it in and blending it in, so it's a little bit of more work. It's definitely more on the moisturizing side, so if you do have dry skin, you will like this. But if you have oily skin, I don't know if this is gonna work well with your skin type. Definitely use a brush, not a beauty blender, because it's going to shear it out way too much. So definitely a brush is the way to go. And this brush is just from a Tarte set. I'm gonna do the forehead, and now that I'm building it up, it doesn't seem to add more coverage. So now let's move on to the concealer. This is a cream concealer in light neutral. This is the packaging here. It's cute, Gorgeous Cosmetics. And I'm just going to apply it under my eye. Whoa, this concealer is very, very thick. I can't believe this. And this is very on the oily side. This feels kind of weird. Oh my. Oh my god, you see what happened there? It like came off. Okay now. I feel like these products are more like stage makeup, and like it sits on top of it, of your skin, and then it's very, very oily. Oh my god. Look at how it comes off. Can this be saved, you guys? It's like just literally sliding around. Like when I tap in to build more coverage, it doesn't go on. That's good. Yeah, well, I'm just gonna finish the face off camera and trying to fix this, and then I'll be right back. This is the finished look, and it was a struggle to get here, first of all. This isn't the best foundation I've tried. It really sits on top of your skin. It doesn't really sink into the skin, and that's what I like. This is just sitting on top, and when you're blending it, it blends all the way. Like, it doesn't have any coverage. Right now, how I worked with it, it was with powder. So I had to use powder on top of it that has a little bit of foundation, and that's how I fixed it. I didn't really like it. It just sits on top. So I wouldn't recommend something to you guys that didn't work out for me. I mean, you guys can still try it out and see for yourself if you like it. Sheer to medium coverage, that is what this has. It has a little bit of fragrance, and it just doesn't blend good. It sits on top, so it's more of a moussey like foundation. Anyone that's oily would think this is way too hydrating. So yeah, on me it was really greasy, and I have dry skin, so imagine if you have oily skin, this will be a total oil slick. For the concealer, I liked it. It does have full coverage, but it is really thick. I think I applied a little bit too much, so make sure you put like 3 little dots or even 2 dots under the eye, and that's it, because it's very thick. If you see it right here, look at that. It's like full on coverage, and it's more on the greasy side again, just like the foundation. I just think that these products here for the face are way too heavy for me. The eyeshadow palette, I really liked it. It's pigmented and it blends really well. Obviously the P. Louise base really did help for the eyeshadows to show up. This is definitely a go for me. I will recommend this for you guys, and I will keep using it. And you can definitely use this for the face. I liked how the black eyeshadow blended out for my smoky wing. So yeah, I usually use black eyeliner, but today I used this black one right here, and it worked out perfectly. So I am very happy with this product right here. And you can use my code Adriana50 and save 50% off on all these products. I will have a link down below so you guys can go to the website and look at other products that they have. I will probably get their primer, face primer, and all that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look right here using Gorgeous Cosmetics. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.